Okay, here we are with the new Deck NYX Z3 or Deck NYX Z3, and we open the box, and what's inside? Another box. You get the GoPro to show you a nice shot, but it doesn't work, so here's a shot anyway. There it is. And instructions, extra grip tape, there's the wheels, charger, remote. Extra bolts and nuts, adapters for different wheels, let's get some tires to put that on. There we go. Comes with a nice little tool to put the wheels on. These are the boots and bindings you're going to put on. More tyres, stack it up higher. Now I've got clearance to put the wheels on. It's a bit fiddly lining up the bushing inside. Trying to see if there's any instructions as to whether it needs washers, because for some reason these wheels have no washers, but look inside the toolkit, all the extra bolts and nuts, there's nothing there, so just bolt them up. Now I'm going to need to drill new holes to put these boots and bindings on. So the binding holes that come with it aren't for this type. They don't come with a base plate, so I'm going to triangulate across the two holes that are there to find the center, so I know where to put the holes and drill them in for the base plate. The outer layer is carbon fibre. If you're drilling in carbon fibre, you need to put tape on. Get those out of the way. Look at the ground clearance it's got. Alright, time to get the Burton step-on boots and bindings. No more strapping in, just big boots there. They're probably going to be a bit hot, so I'm going to drill some holes in them, let some airflow in. It's going to make it way more stable for doing jumps. None of this heel coming up or anything like that. It's going to be fully locked in. They come with big backs on them, but I'm going to take those backs off. There we go, clicked in. Comes with hardware, but the hardware is way too small. It's not going to work. I have to get more hardware. And to get the base plate in, you have to somehow find a way in the middle of the binding, but I'm struggling to figure it out, and I can't get it. It won't come off. Eventually I look it up later, and it's easy to just pull it off harder. Now it's time to get the grip deck off. It's not really coming off. It's on there really well. It's nice and padded, but I'm not going to need it. Go get the goo going. Spray a bit of that on. And still, it's tedious, pain in the ass. It's not something I'm able to do on camera. This is what my old board would be if it was a car, and this is what my new board would be if it's a car. There's the old one. A bit wider, it's got bigger tyres, but I'm getting new tyres for the new one. The new board's a bit shorter. As you can see, the motors are a bit exposed at the back. And if we look right down near the tyre, there's a bit more ground clearance on the old one, especially towards the side, but in the middle, the new one's better. The new one's meant to be lighter, but they're about the same weight from what I can tell. Ground clearance though, the new one's way higher. Whether the suspension sag will make a difference in that, I don't know. But if you see it from this angle, you can see it's noticeable. And the new board's got solid steel. There, I've drilled the holes for the bindings, all done. The grip takes off. Grip takes off. And that's the bit that's snapped. The new one won't snap because it's got steel instead of aluminium. The old one does have an upgrade. I'll do it later.